Hi, Yakde. I'm Franklin Maloba, Assistant Professor of Biology at the Chinle site. So in Chinle, in the biology program, we offer a variety of courses, and we try to train the students on how to become better people to occupy those jobs that are needed in our community. We have been able to create partnership with other universities like the Yale University, Illinois, and also Harvard University. Right now, I'm in Crownpoint, where I've come with some students to train them on ELISA, which is a technique that is highly used, not just in the laboratory, but also in pharmaceutical companies and also in diagnostics.
And ELISA stands for enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay. It's just one of those methods that we can use to check a few things. Things like seeing if you have a good response to a vaccine after you've received one. But it's very important for students to know at least how such tests are done and why, if they get to a hospital, they're told that they can only come back for results like a day after. And so now they'll have a chance to see what the entire process is from when their sample is collected to when the results get out. But in that process now they will learn what is happening inside those tubes that are collected and what they finally should be expecting as a result. We would use this session to teach them how to measure things like antibodies in their blood in response to particular pathogens. So this is a kind of specialized training. We call these in the biology program our technical research workshop series. And so we choose methods that we know that our students can benefit and earn a life with. And so you can earn a career just by learning these kinds of techniques and doing them. We have a very brilliant scientist from the University of Utah who is helping us to do that in the name of Dr. Kamden, Donald, and this is just what we can do to make our students really be on top, the best, that we train.